Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. We are here at the headquarters of the Philippine Public School Teachers Association right here in Badawi, Quezon City, Philippines. We are here because we're going to attend a two-day activity. It's stored for the National Assembly, and this comprises of the gala night, and another one is the plenary, which will happen in the following day. So this is a two-day activity, and it's more about looking to the welfare of our association. So, ang PPSTA po, ang dami po nating ibigay po na benepisyo pag miyembro po tayo ng PPSTA. Dito ay tumitingin po ito sa mga pagkalinga, pagtanaw po sa kahalagahan ng buhay din nating mga kaguruan sa across po ng Pilipinas. So right here, the question is who will be attending this kind of activity? And this is more about leaders coming from the local chapters across the country, Luzon, Visayas, at Mindanao. So tomorrow there will be a gala night, and that will be attended by our very own Deputy Secretary, Honorable Angara. And the following day will be the plenary session. So it will be deliberation of the different leaders across the country, looking to the fiscal management, financial aspect of our PPSTA, and as well as so many more services that would gear towards the improvement or looking into the improvement of our services, fundamental operations of the Philippine Public School Teachers Association. So PPSTA has been already established for decades, and it has continuously been thriving, and it has been giving a lot of optimal benefits to be given to the members of the PPSTA. So for our teachers out there who are not member yet of the PPSTA, so please visit our regional offices and our board of directors at different regions so that you could also ask how to be a member of the PPSTA. So lots of things are in store for this gathering because this is only done annually. So tomorrow there will be a recognition of our most outstanding school head and teacher, and the following day plenary session where we will meet together. That will be the meeting of minds to discuss matters in relevance or germane to the development of our PPSTA, to improve its system, to improve its services towards its clientele. So watch out because we'll be giving you a lot of pictures, and we'll be able to capture a lot of scenes beginning today and tomorrow until the last day at the end of the annual representative assembly. So thank you so much guys for joining and watching this video of mine, and we hope someday that our teachers out there are also encouraged to be a member of the PPSTA. So thank you so much, and God bless everyone.